Today we are going to walk. And here comes Evie skipping along. We're at Ashness Bridge. Hi! And today's Makaton sign is to walk. To walk. And we're going to walk a very long way up this path here. So we're dead excited, aren't we, Evie? She's already gone. See you at the top.
Mist on the water, fells breathing slow, a world held in glass, reflections all glow, and my heart is still, and my heart is still. Paths for our boots, a gentle rhythm we find, walking with silence, so peaceful in my mind, so peaceful